Good morning, it's Sunday. Early, very early, 8ish. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to paint this, if I can get it out. Give me a second. Yep, I'm going to paint this today. Rub it all down. Get rid of the snails. The snails hanging on. There you are, snails hanging on there. A family of them. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to rub it down and paint it. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Right, so what I'm using is Cuprinol Seasoned Oak, and this here is a fantastic thing for opening up these lids. I've already done it, but yeah, and I've also got some sandpaper there to rub down the thing. But first of all, I've got to get rid of the snails. Okay, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, I rubbed it down, as you can see, nice and clean, and I'm now going to start to paint it. Okay, when I've finished, you will see the results. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, that's the finished of the actual house itself. I painted in and out, around and round, and yeah, it's come up really nice. Now we've got to paint the rest of it. Okay, I'll see you in a moment. Well, this is it, finished. How long it took me? It took me about half an hour. Just one coat of the Cuprinol. Got rid of all the snails from inside, and yeah, looking good, ready for the birds. So I'll let it dry there now for at least a couple of hours. Right, just want to go back to this tin opener for you. This is an absolute brilliant device. This Dulux, and it's got that little bit on the end where you just put it in. I'll show you. You put it in there and you just can't do it now, and then you just lift it up like that, and it comes up. Yep, well, that's it now. All I've got to do now is wash the brush. This is just water. You don't need any spirits for this Cuprinol, just water. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.